Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Solve the following simultaneous equations. And we've been given two equations. The first is 5x plus 2y equal to 19. And the second is 2x plus y equal to 7. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Simultaneous equations are a set of two or more equations that share common variables. Solving these equations using elimination or substitution helps us to find the value of those variables, such that both equations are completely satisfied. Answering this question is a four-step process. First, we need to multiply one of our equations by an integer to form a pair of equivalent terms. Then, by subtracting the equations, we can eliminate one of the variables, forming an equation with the other unknown variable that we can solve to find its value, before substituting that value back into one of our equations to find the value of the other variable. To begin, we need to identify which variable we can eliminate. We've been given the equations. 5x plus 2y equal to 19 and 2x plus y equal to 7. Multiplying the second equation by 2 gives us a 2y term in both equations. So 2x plus y equal to 7 multiplied by 2 gives us 4x plus 2y equal to 14. Subtracting both equations eliminates the y terms, and 5x minus 4x is x, and 19 minus 14 is 5, giving us x equal to 5. We now have a value for x, which we can substitute into either of our equations to find the value of y. Choosing the second equation, 2x plus y equal to 7, we get 2 multiplied by 5 plus y equal to 7. And 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So 10 plus y is equal to 7. Then subtracting 10 from each side gives us y equal to 7 minus 10. And 7 minus 10 is minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3. We now have a value for x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 3. An optional but important step is to substitute both values for x and y into both equations to confirm that the values we've found balance each equation. Substituting into the first equation, we get 5 multiplied by 5 plus 2 multiplied by minus 3, which is 25 minus 6, giving us the answer 19. And substituting into the second equation, we get 2 multiplied by 5 plus minus 3, which is 10 minus 3, giving us the answer 7. So both equations balance perfectly. That means we can be confident that our values of x and y are correct. For more explanation and examples of solving simultaneous equations using elimination, search our channel for Simultaneous Equations. As an extension to this topic, what if the first equation was 5x minus 2y equal to 19? A minus instead of a plus. Would we still subtract the equations to eliminate y, or would we add them? Leave your answer in the comments. So the values of x and y that solve our simultaneous equations and the answer to this question are 5 and minus 3, respectively. Please follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads for daily maths content.